warp your loom, take your warp thread and tie a single knot at one end. Wrap the loop around one of the notches at the bottom and tighten with another knot. Take the warp thread directly up to the top, hook the warp up and around the notch and bring it back towards yourself. Keep warping up and down until you are happy with the width your weave will be. You will want to keep an eye on your tension. Ideally it will be quite tight, but loose enough to be able to run your fingers across it like a harp. When you have finished warping, you will need to secure your thread. Wrap the thread around the notch and tie off. Make sure you finish on the same side as you have started so you have an even amount of warp threads. Wrap any excess warp thread back around the notches so your knots won't slip. You can trim any excess warp thread left over.